So today is Saturday. I decided to film a day in my life. It's like a vlog thing. Decided, why not vlog, right? Especially I live alone, so it motivates me to know I'm recording myself and stuff. So it helps keeping depression away. And yeah, take you guys with me as I'm putting things away. Yeah, just gonna take these away and put it on the floor. This chair is so comfortable. That's like my seating chair. I just sit there all weekend. I just watch TV. That's like my seating chair. I purchased another wig and it did come. I'm gonna put it on today. I also had some art this weekend and stuff.
These are the shoes that I used throughout the week, and I'm now putting them back in because, you know, the weekend we get crazy.
Okay, this is for here. It's good. I think they're cute. It's like this cute. I think it's so cute. I purchased them. They came yesterday, but this is not the clothes I wanted to come yesterday. And these tweed skirts. It's a little bit too big on the waist, but the bottom fits so beautiful. So cute. So cute. These are the clothes I wore yesterday.
You can see that I'm putting clothes away, things that I've used, for example, my flat iron, my hot combs, everything that I've used throughout the weekend or throughout the week. I'm just putting them away, put them in the case, and store them properly. Yeah. Earlier today, it really got really gloomy, so I'm going to show you the view right now. It's really gloomy. Although it's beautiful, but it's really gloomy. We're going to watch dishes now.
I got conned by my mother. The reason why I said my mother conned me, she was like, oh, you're not a woman if you're not using stainless at your house. And me who love challenges went and bought a lot of stainless pot and threw all my pots away. And then when it came to washing, I went to hell and back, okay? Because if you're Haitian, you know what it is to be like scrubbing with a paille de fer. This is what I use to scrub this pot and to remain cute and spotless. And those are my favorite pots. So cute. I proved my mother wrong. Mama, if you're watching this, look at my pots. Clean. You can see my teeth in it. You can see my face in it. Wrong. We can I'm not sure guys if you know chayotes, so if you don't have chayotes, what we're gonna do, right? This is the meat we're using. Crab, lobsters, prawns, like those little everything. We're gonna use some pork, neck. We're gonna add some apis to the meat.
If you are Haitian, you already know what I'm about to make. I'm about to make legume. So of course we are cutting our eggplant, our chayote, and we are prepping it because we want to make sure it cooks with the meat. We're not gonna add water because the meat and the vegetables, later on we're gonna add cabbage. The cabbage gonna turn into water, and therefore gonna cook the meat and everything together. This was really good, right? So you have to seal the pot so the moisture doesn't escape. And as you can see, there's so much water in the pot right now. So I'm removing the vegetables away, and this is how it looks. This is what legume look like, right? With no meat. And this is the final step of legume. We mash it together to have that smooth texture. And that's pretty much it. So everything going to be mashed together, and you're gonna see the final reveal. Yeah, it's very mushy, very finely beaten down. Now we cleaning the table because there's spills, and everything else going to be poured into a hot dish. And this is the meat cook. Again, we're gonna make our favorite, which is a French cake. It's a cake made with yogurt. You can use lemon, but I use orange, like juice orange, to make my cake. And this is my favorite cake. I love it. I love eating it hot, and then later on I pour rum into it. It's really a delicacy, and I will wish somebody try it and see how good it tastes, you know. It doesn't require a lot. It's very simple. If I can do it, I don't bake. If I can do it, you can do it too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're mixing everything together. Add the orange juice, add the oil, and pour it into a loaf pan, and that's pretty much it. Put it in your stove, preheated.
I'm going downstairs to do laundry because we're doing all the neutrals today. Ugh. Okay, let's come with me to the laundry room.
I am back from the laundry room, and I think this is it for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the final walk down after cleaning. The room is so beautiful. You get to see how everything is so clean. I think I'm going to show you a side I never show, where I hang my coat and my favorite chair. This is where I get to, relax after a long day of work. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys the view again. I love lemon. Lemon is my favorite thing now. Lemon scented everything. Yeah. So this is the final walk down. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget that, God loves you. And this is the view. The sun is out. The sun is out and shining like God love on us. Here is the final view of the food that I made. Yeah. So this is sweet plantain with legume, and you're gonna see the cake later on. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I know the voice hasn't been the best, but thank you so much.